stop. Before you go get that car loan, check out these actionable steps. It's 3 steps minus the secret tip. So the first step you want to do is find a car. Of course, you're going to look for a car wherever you're trying to get the car at. It could be any car dealership, it doesn't matter. But what you don't want to do is you don't want to go to the dealer to get your financing. You want to go online and you want to find your local credit union. Some of you are already with credit unions. That's great. If you're not, we need to start building banking relationships the same way we build relationships with people out on the street or out in the world. You need to start doing that with these bank institutions. Why? Because credit unions give you better rates than a car dealership ever would, unless you're buying a brand new car, and they probably still give you a better credit rate. Okay, so what you want to do, find your credit union. You can go online, look at the reviews. If it's not that many different credit unions, that's fine. Just find one, right? So now you found a car, you found a credit union. Since you found a credit union, you found a car, the second thing you want to do is you want to call the credit union up. Before you even apply, you want to call the credit union and say, hey, I'm looking to get a car loan. Which credit bureau do you guys pull your credit pulls from? Why does that matter? Because if you know your credit score, your credit report, some of your credit scores might be different than others. You know, it's 3 credit bureaus. It's Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. So your TransUnion might be trash. Your Experian might be better. Your Equifax might be best. So you call and you talk to them and you ask them first before you even apply so you can have better odds of getting a car loan. Now, how does that look from an underwriter perspective? That's the person that's going to give you the loan. If you have sub 3 hard inquiries, that's great. If you got around 4 or 5 and your score is low, you might get smoked. You might not be able to get a car loan. So you want to keep that in mind. Usually you want to have around a 625 and up. If you got something lower than that, you'll probably have to go to one of those dealerships where they say, anybody can drive. We'll give you a 2,000% interest rate and you'll drive off the lot smoked forever. You can take those if you don't have a choice and you need a whip. Do that. But if you are not in dire straits, you need to pay attention to where they pull from, what your credit score is, and how your credit report looks. All right, cool. You got the car dealership where the car is. You got the credit union that you're going to work with. You know that your chances are high that you're going to get that car loan, so go ahead and apply. They're going to give you that car loan. Now you have the check in hand or you have the instructions for the dealer when it's time to get the vehicle. So before you even drive to where the dealer is or somebody take you there, you need to call the dealer and say, hey, I got $20,000. Can I get this car from you guys? They're going to say, yeah, just come in. We'll show you the car. Okay, no, wait. I have $20,000. That's it. I don't have $21,000. I don't have $23,000. I don't have any money for anything over $20,000. Is that okay? They'll say yes or no. If they say no, you can go anywhere. Why? Because you didn't go to the dealer to get your financing. So you can go anywhere you want to go with that money. Okay, cool. That's one great point to this. Now, the credit hack, what everybody's waiting for. So the last thing you want to do is call the credit union back and say, how long does this inquiry last? They're going to say, well, we usually hold on to inquiries for 2 weeks to 30 days, sometimes longer. They might say 2 weeks or 30 days, whatever. You say, okay, cool. Do you guys use the same inquiry for credit cards and lines of credit? They're going to say yes or no. If they say yes, that means you have up to $50,000 to get from them in this transaction. So if the car is $20,000, your available balance left that you can get from the bank is $30,000. Now, this is going to be based on your income. It's going to be based on your credit report. You're going to ask them for $15,000 to $30,000. And they're going to say, okay, cool. Well, they're going to give you a separate application, but it's going to be one hard inquiry. So you'll get approved for the car. You already have the car money. And you'll get approved for a line of credit or a credit card, all in the same transaction, which is great, right? See, if you weren't following Treetop Kids, you wouldn't know this. So like, share, and subscribe for me. Show me some love. But that's pretty much it. So make sure you watch this video, save this video, share it with your friends. It's very, very simple. You're going to go to the dealer. You're going to go to the credit union. You're going to go back to the dealer. Then you're going to go back to the credit union. And you're going to come out on top with extra emergency funds just in case that mug break and you got to fix it. Your boy Treetop Chris checking in. Peace and love. Peace, family. It's your boy Treetop Chris checking in, and today we're going to talk about how you can get a car loan And at the end of the video, I'm gonna teach you a secret credit hack so you can get a car loan, a line of credit, or a credit card all at the same time using one hard inquiry. So pay attention to the end. So